Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about Xlookup. Xlookup is one more extension to vlookup. In vlookup we can look up the data in right side only, but in Xlookup we can look up the data in right side and left side, no matter whether data is in right side or left side. In this short video, it will give you the snapshot of how Xlookup will help you further. If you are excited about it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Let us come to the topic. Today we have a data of employees. In employees, we have a fields like date of promotion, employee working division and employee name and salary. With the help of employee name, I just want to know division here. If you using a vlookup, it will take you from right side data only. It will not give left side data. With the help of Xlookup, we can get left side data also. Now we will check how it works. Is equal to Xlookup lookup value. What is lookup value? This one. Employee name is the lookup value. Lookup array. This employee name is here. You have to select the data. Next, which field you want division? Comma. Required. Close that. Enter. Once you give employee name here, see, employee is in employee Veeru is in sales division. Now you give Ravi. Employee Ravi is in production division. So hope you understand the Xlookup formula. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you very much.